Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to another video in which I will be showing you how you can increase your net worth in the mobile game Monopoly Go. The process is quick and easy, so let's get right into it. So, as you can see, what you can do is you can actually play the game and earn money, and you use this money for actually building buildings on the board that you all are playing on. If I click it a few times, I should get some money, and I can later use this money to actually build the buildings, and I will show you how. As you can see, in the bottom left of my screen, there is a build bar, and as you can see, there is no number next to it. It is empty, guys. Thankfully, I just got one of these events, a mega heist, and let's just quickly click on these icons, guys, so that I can actually win the big jackpot, and I just got 6 million, guys. Since I have all this money, as you can see, there will be a number next to the build icon. The number says 4, so let's click on it. This means that I can upgrade 4 of my, excuse me just for a second while this goes away. You can actually use that money to upgrade 1 or rather 4 buildings here. Excuse me. Once you actually get into this screen, guys, you can click on the building icons at the bottom and you can upgrade your screens. And as you can see, once you upgrade your buildings, you will go up 1 level. And when you go up enough levels, you will get several upgrades by increasing your net worth. The net worth is the bar on the top left, and the number indicates your net worth level. Once you actually get a certain amount of levels, you get upgrades. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you find this helpful and informative, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.